I'm often asked what a person should buy first as far as tools and resources as they want to get into automotive locksmithing. I think it's pretty obvious that the first thing a person's going to have is some type of code cutting equipment, either a code machine or clippers. The next thing that you're going to want to get, I would think, would be some reference materials, something like the AutoSmart or Fast Facts book. The next thing I would do would be to sign up with a VIN to key code supplier and then buy some key blanks. And I would focus at first on getting key blanks for Ford, GM, Chrysler, Honda, Toyota, and Nissan. Just by doing that and being able to get the key code from the VIN number, you're going to be able to make a lot of keys for a lot of different cars. The next thing I would probably purchase would be a wafer reader for the Ford 8-cut locks, followed by tryout keys for the Ford 8-cut door lock with the wafers in the 1 through 6 position, and then tryout keys for the Ford 10-cut door lock and the ignition lock. Now somewhere along the way, and you may want to get this before you buy your tryout keys, is to get a programmer and transponder keys. If you have a programmer, you're going to need transponder keys so you have something to program. But where exactly you put this in the list as far as a priority is going to be different for different people. Another item that I want to mention that I have not talked about at all in this course is what's called a domestic killer kit. It's a set of tools from A1 Manufacturing. And the reason that I'm going to go ahead and throw it on here is because it's about a $400 kit that I'm going to really encourage you to purchase. And we're going to look at the use of this kit in the next course, Auto 2. So I want to go ahead and put it on the list, as it is something that I think should be fairly high on the priority list of equipment to buy. Please take just a moment to like the video and also subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.